I have always been an adventurer. Remaining in one place for too long would eventually lead to a sporadic decision to get in my car or jump on my motorbike and just go. Where I went, it didn't usually matter. So long as I was discovering new places, heading into the remote unknown, that was where I needed to be. In the past year, I have chased my dreams of film production and combined it with my love for motorcycles, which has led to adventures all over the far north region of Queensland and expanded my love for our beautiful country. However, I'd be lying if I said I didn't miss home. It's been 10 years since I left my hometown, and I've been counting down the days to my return since the day I left. I will always chase the unknown, the point where communication with the world is almost shut off and there is no one around. But the truth is, my heart will always be where my roots are. Well, the time has come. Finally, I've moved back to the region, and the first thing on my agenda is to get on the bike, pack some gear, and head home. This episode on Ironbark MX is called Homecoming.